Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a poll in WhatsApp on Android. Polls can be a great way to gather opinions and feedback from your friends and family on WhatsApp. Whether you're trying to make a decision or just want to engage with your chat group, we'll walk you through the steps to make it happen. First, you'll need to open a chat in WhatsApp. This can be a group chat or a one-on-one chat depending on who you want to poll. Under Question, enter your question. This can be anything you want to ask your chat group, such as, what should we have for dinner tonight? Under Options, enter your poll options. These are the different choices that your chat group can select from. You can add up to 10 poll options by tapping the plus sign to the right of the field. If you want to change the order of your poll options, simply tap and hold on the option you want to move and slide it up or down to the desired position. Once you're satisfied with your question and options, tap Create Poll to create your poll. Your poll will now appear in the chat for your friends and family to vote on. And that's it. Making a poll in WhatsApp is a quick and easy process that anyone can do. Whether you're trying to make a decision or just want to engage with your chat group, these steps will help you do it in just a few taps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.